The new 485A Backhoe, made for the John Deere 4M and 4R series tractors, is built to handle tough chores while making your job easier. To demonstrate just how easy, watch now as one operator removes and reinstalls the 485A in just minutes. When doing this yourself, make sure you wear gloves since you'll be working with hydraulic hoses and retaining pins. With the tractor running so you can use the hydraulic functions, go to the backhoe controls and lower the stabilizers so they are parallel to the ground. Once the stabilizers are down, curl the bucket so the teeth are also parallel to the ground. Then, remove the pin from the transport position and place it in the park position. This gives you a 4-point contact once the backhoe is on the ground. Next, shut the tractor off and relieve pressure by moving the loader joystick back and forth. Now you're ready to unhook the hydraulic hoses. Start by unhooking the return hose and laying it on the frame. Next, remove the top hose from the Power Beyond port. Since these are open center hydraulics, you'll need continuous flow, so install your jumper hose. Get on your tractor, start it, and use the 3-point hitch to lift the backhoe up to remove the pressure from the frame. Now, you'll remove the clip and the retaining pin. Do the same thing on the other side. Make sure your pins are laying across the hoses to prevent them from falling on the ground. Get on the tractor and then lower the backhoe all the way to the ground. Now you're ready to pull away. Putting the 485 on your tractor is just as easy. Simply reverse the process. Back into the backhoe slowly. Raise it using the 3-point hitch, then shut off the tractor. Go to the back of the tractor and insert the retaining pins. Complete this step on both sides. Once you've done that, get back on the tractor and start it up, and then lower the backhoe down onto the frame using the 3-point hitch lever. You'll see it drop when you do it. Shut off the tractor. Then you're ready to reattach your hydraulic hoses. Start with your return hose. Go to the other side and remove the jumper hose and replace it with the pressure hose. Now you'll have hydraulic function for your backhoe. Start your tractor back up. Then go to the back of the tractor and raise your stabilizers. Curl your bucket back into the transport position. And finally, remove the pin so you can take the backhoe out of the park position and put it back into the transport position. That's all there is to it. Simple and quick. Now you're ready to get back to work.